Hey, what's up guys, how you doing today? Welcome back to another video. On this video we're going to be discussing about how to write an SEO Fiverr Gig description. What I mean by SEO is search engine optimization. So I'll go in details on how you can write a perfect gig description. And before I move forward, I would like to tell you that you need to watch the video I uploaded yesterday, which I discussed about Fiverr Gig title and tags, because I'll proceed from there as we are going to make use of the gig title and the gig tags. So I head up my Fiverr platform, so I'll proceed from there. Yesterday I make use of this category, which is podcast cover art. So we are still going to make use of it, and then we make use of the exact gig that I make use as I use as an example yesterday. So I make use of this gig as an example. I'm going to load this page. Okay, so I make use of this gig as an example yesterday. If you have actually watched the video about gig title and the gig tags, so definitely you can proceed from here, because you definitely understand what I'm talking about. So on the video I explain how we come up with the gig title and then the tags. So I'll move on to the gig description and we see how it goes. So let's check the gig description for here. You can see here this seller is having professional podcast cover art and podcast logo. You can see here all this gig title here and the tags will definitely appear on this description. So this video will not take much of the time, and it won't be like the gig title and the tags idea, so it won't be up to that because I'm continuing from there. So you can see what I'm talking about here. You can see here what actually appear on the gig title and tags are appearing on the gig description too. So this is well optimized gig per se. And then you can see the gig image too, which is podcast cover art. So I'll head up to my Google Doc and write up some example how I used to do my own gig, and then you can grab up some ideas then. So okay, this says what I make use of yesterday regarding the gig title and tags. So then I'll proceed from here to discuss how to write gig description. So let's take for instance now we have this gig title already and we have these tags as well. Tags. Then we proceed to gig description. This is how I used to do. Let's say hello there. You searching for a professional designer who will help you to design your podcast cover art, podcast logo, items, podcast cover, or podcast artwork. Then you are on the right gig. Then from there you will explain what buyer are getting after they purchase your gig, which are like this. Let's see this gig. Let's see this gig. Okay, you can see here the package. So on the basic package, the seller said basic podcast cover design, size 1600 over 1600 pixels and 1400 pixels, both high quality, 200 dpi. I don't know what that's mean. And the standard package said attractive podcast cover design and this and this. Then the premium as well, with header image, two concepts. You can see the premium actually different from other packages, which the seller also recommend. And the seller said, attention, I don't do cartoon designs. So definitely the buyer will see that the seller doesn't do cartoon designs. So maybe there's actually a buyer that wants a cartoon design for the podcast. So definitely once he or she say this, he or she definitely move on to another gig to see someone who is offering this cartoon design as a podcast. So with this little explanation, definitely I believe you will understand how you can write your own gig description, and I recommend you definitely watch the gig title and tags, because if you don't watch it, you won't understand much about how to do this gig description. So I think that's that. I have explained much about it through the gig title and the tags, and I would like to come up with another video which is how you can optimize your gig image as well to make it attractive and then to attract more buyers. Maybe I don't have much ideas about how to design a logo or logo design entirely, but of course I can describe and I can figure out the best and attractive gig images that attract buyers to make them order your gig on Fiverr. So till then I will make a video and upload it. So once you subscribe to this channel, you'll be able to see anytime I upload the video. Thank you.